Hello and welcome to ProjectReveal.com. Today we're in Barnsley and we're at a location of what we don't know much about, to be honest. We're at Rockley Furnace. Can't find nothing about it on the internet, but supposedly there's been sightings of a light at the top of the tower, and we're here to check it out. Today's investigators are Glenn, Lee Steer, Dan, Amy and Simon. In this corner where I'm pointing now, we were taking photos and an orb were appearing right in the bottom corner there, but we've debunked that. There's actually a white thing in the brickwork what it's reflecting off, and it's causing a circle orb. So if you've seen photos of this place and it's got an orb in corner, it's natural. Right then, off to the furnace. On previous websites of what we've looked at, what's got this on, they've actually spelt Rockley Furnace wrong. Can't see nothing, it is pitch down here. I can't see in front of me. As you can see, I'm walking slow to find my path. We are obviously next to a main road, so there will be interactions with traffic. There's also possible that we can get orbs from raindrops. I think they tripped over there. Hey Glenn, mate.
Right.
Have you seen out or?
No, nothing. Nothing at all.
Where the other guys are, the at furnace?
Straight through there. Shining light into the tunnel.
Oh yeah.
Danny?
He's with Ozzy. These woods are a bit freaky, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. I thought I'd got an orb earlier,
Oh yeah.
but took another picture and it didn't come up.
It didn't. So what do you think your explanation for that is?
I don't know, I couldn't get near to where I was going.
Yeah.
So I found it. See. Faint.
Yeah, I can see it, yeah. It's very small and tiny.
Yeah.
It's minute. Strange.
Very strange.
Right then.
When I took second photo, there might be. This is all I would have took.
Yeah.
See that one down there, there's a lot of white, what like your light's bouncing off.
Yeah. And plus it's been drizzling and raining and all that,
Yeah.
so got more chance of catching orbs on camera. Right, try to find a way back to them fuckers.
They're on that bench
What, up there?
over there.
Right.
There's no top of that follow, is there? See, I've got a little one there, but I don't know if it's light coming through trees. Could be light coming through trees.
Could be.
Well, there's one right there at the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's a plant, that.
Yeah, plant.
I think so. I think it's a petal, a bud or something. Or something. Wonder if we get some orbs on camcorder. We ain't got none yet. You right? Have you seen out or experienced out?
Yeah, we've just got a lot of energy around this area, but we can't exactly pinpoint it.
This wake area.
Just this.
Wow, what are you getting like?
A lot of strong energy.
See if we can get down there. As you can see, the bridge is a bit unsafe. What can I lie? It not seen.
It's moving around.
Is it? Don't know which way to go around. Have you sensed out around Furnace?
No, yeah, I ain't been down there.
Aren't you?
I can't exactly pinpoint that, me and Noddy.
Yeah.
Move too fast.
Have you got out? Have you got out strange on camera or out, Simon? No? What have you got out as to say what this might have been used for all out? Or just take a wild guess, wouldn't it?
That's a strange anomaly there.
Yeah, there's a porno mag there. And no, it wasn't placed by us. Have you sensed out, Ozzy?
Just
same 2 images I got before. I'm only picking images up, I can't see anybody.
Yeah.